Hey guys, so today I got in the mail a huge box of makeup and I thought, why not do a unboxing slash first impression slash makeup tutorial kind of video. It's going to be a nice cocktail of all of these, so get a cup of tea or coffee or whatever you're drinking and let's go ahead and get started. So this here is the box. As you can tell, it's big. Let's go ahead and open it. This is by Covergirl. I'm sorry I said their name like this. It's just, I'm trying not to kill myself with this package. So this was sent to me by Covergirl and this video is not sponsored by them. They just sent this to me, so I thought that it would be fun to unbox it with you guys and try out the products inside. This is honestly the largest PR package that I've ever received. I'm trying not to hit the microphone, aka your ears. Oh, a letter. Hello, beautiful.
I got sweaty and tired.
Ow, 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 ow. Woo, that hurt. I just hit my finger. And the worst part is that it's already, I kind of cut it when I was cooking. It's not that bad of a cut, but when you hit it, it's painful. Woo! Hi! Okay, so this is how it looks when it's out of that huge box. It has section of, oh my god, my hands are not strong at all. It has lips, eyes, skin. So I think that we may be able to do a full face of this. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna see what we're gonna see.
What does my face tell you? Does it say that I'm vain? Or does it tell you that I'm strong? That I'll run this company someday? I express who I am right now and who I want to be. Covergirl. I am what I make up.
Alright, so here we have some lipsticks. This color is gorgeous. And here we have some more. Alright, so let's see what they have in the section lips. Oh. No, actually, hold on. I changed my mind. Let's start off with the face. Alright, so this is the section face. So what is this? Oh, it's a concealer. Start off with priming the eyes. I'm gonna use this Vitalis Go Glow. I think that in my previous video, the full face of first impressions, I actually tried out this and I liked it. It made me look a little bit more like sun-kissed. It added some color, but it also added like a lot of glow. So I'm just gonna use my sponge to apply that all over my face. After filming that video, I wore this a couple of times on its own and it made my skin look gorgeous. It's not covering at all. It's just adding some like color to your face so that you look like you was on the beach the previous day and a lot of nice glow. I like being glowing. My skin is dry and I just love looking moisturized and being moisturized. Alright, so I don't think that we have foundation here, so be right back. I'm gonna put on my foundation and we're going to move on to the other things that they have in here. I also bring you guys a little bit closer so that you can see what I'm doing better because I was a little bit far away. For a makeup tutorial, I was a lot of far away. Anyway, so let's go ahead and try out the concealers that they have in here. This is the Covergirl Vitalis Healthy Concealer. I'm gonna go with a pretty light one because I want to use it under my eyes just to brighten up that area there. I have no idea which is this shade. Oh, it has a brush. The brush is very soft. It's not like one of those like very harsh brushes that scratch your skin when you're trying to apply your concealer. It's actually very nice and soft, but I think that this color is just, I need something lighter, so I'm gonna take this one as well. I'm also gonna bring that on my eyelids just to kind of prepare them for the eyeshadows. I'm so excited for that part. You guys know that I always can't wait to get to the eye makeup. It looks very moisturizing, like my under eye doesn't feel or look dry, which is good. But I think that I'll need to set it with some face powder so that it won't crease. They have some face powders in here. I might use one of those to set my under eyes. Definitely not this one though, it's going to be a little bit too dark for my under eyes. But it may be a nice like bronzer or contouring shade. Let's go ahead and see what's gonna happen. For my under eyes, I'm gonna use the shade called Classic Ivory. It's the lightest one that they had in here. Oh, it has like a small tiny sponge in here. But I'm gonna use a brush instead. It's already creasing, but the good thing is that it doesn't dry out my under eye. And obviously this is just a face powder, but I wanna try to use it as a bronzer today. It's a little bit warmer than what I would usually use as a bronzer, but again, it's a face powder. Let's not try to change it. Let's love it as it is. And this is their and this is their Covergirl Look Up setting spray. I think I had one of these, and I actually used it in one of my videos. I think it was again a full face of first impressions. Vitalis Healthy Glow highlighter. Highlighter? This is a highlighter? What? I would use that on my eyes, but if it's a highlighter for the face, let's go ahead and try it out on the face. I'm gonna use again the lightest one that they have in here. This is the shade 1. I'm actually torn between the shade 1 and shade 2. There is a slight difference. This one is a little bit darker and it has some more like green, yellow tones in there, but I'm gonna try out the clear white one. Okay, I'm a little bit scared. Okay, woo! I can't anymore. Ooh. Okay, maybe this is a little bit too light for me. Let's actually go ahead and try out the shade 2. I'm gonna use again my sponge for that. It's really creamy. Okay, this one might be a little bit better. Moving on to the second section, this is the eyes. Let's see. Oh, I think that this must be some eyebrow products. We have these palettes here. Oh, I'm gonna use them today. This looks like a eyebrow pencil, some mascaras. What is this? What are you? Lid Lock Up. I think that this should be some kind of a eyeshadow primer and some eyeliners. Oh, okay. Oh, I can't wait to see what look I'm gonna come up with. I really like these little cats here. Look how cute they are. For my brows today, I'm gonna try out this eyebrow gel. Oh, we have a surprise here. It's a brush. This reminds me of the Benefit Ka-Brow. I mean, the packaging is quite similar and the brush looks nice and thin. It's not very firm so that you can put the brush like back to the cap and like use it like that. It's not like really stable. I have foundation on my eyebrows. This is the thing that I hate the most. That's really easy to apply. I used some concealer to kind of clean up my brows, make them a little bit sharper, but I like this one. I think that it's not like super duper pigmented. You're not getting like 100% pigment. It's like medium pigmentation inside here. That's the reason that I find it really easy to work with. It's because it's not like super duper pigmented and it's preventing you to end up with sharpie brows within a few seconds. Okay, let's prime the eyes with the eyeshadow primer that I have inside here. I'm just gonna use my fingers to blend it out. I'm gonna set it with some of that powder that we used before on the face. Okay, which palette should I use next? This one or this one? I really have no idea. They also have this True Naked palette, but it has inside some more darker colors. I don't want to go with something that dark today. Let's do something a little bit more natural today. Let's not go with some crazy colors. So I'm gonna use this palette here. It has some more like toned down colors. So let me open it. I'll start off with this color here. I'm gonna use that as a transition color in my crease. I used a very small amount of powder to set the eyeshadow primer on my eyelids, and the skin still feels a little bit sticky, which makes the eyeshadows come out very nice and pigmented and saturated. nice color is that? I really like those kind of like very deep orangey colors, the caramel color. I just love it so much. And the mustard. I mean, they remind me of food. That's why I like them. I need to do series on my channel like food inspired makeup. I think someone did, I can't really remember his name, but he did like a series of makeup looks inspired by different snacks, and they were gorgeous. I don't know if I'm gonna do something like that, but just throwing an idea out there. Let me guys know if you would like to see something like that. To be honest with you, like 100% honest, I wasn't expecting this shade to be that saturated. I was expecting it to be a little bit more sheer, but surprise, I guess. Now let's go ahead and try out the darker brown shade that they have in here. I'm gonna switch back to that bigger blending brush and I'm gonna diffuse the edges. Just gonna blend it out. Now I'm gonna take this shade right here. I'm gonna use my finger to apply it on my eye. This is okay, it's a little bit more powdery, but I know how to boost it. So I'm gonna take their setting spray, and this is the spoolie that came with the palette. So I'm just gonna wet it with that setting spray. I'm gonna dip it in that eyeshadow. If you're doing that, make sure that your brush is not like really wet, or else you will kind of ruin the eyeshadow in the pan. Let's also add some of this shade here on top of it. This look is beautiful, but oh, I already did some swatching. I want to make it a little bit more interesting. I want to add some color there. I know that I said that I won't be using some crazy colors today, but I mean, look at this one. Just gonna load the spoolie that came with the palette. I'm gonna spray it with some MAC Fix Plus, and this is going right in here. Also gonna take some of this color here on the same applicator and adding it in this area here. Are you kidding me now? These eyeshadows look good. However, I think that the matte colors that I've tried are much better than the shimmery ones. The shimmery ones just need some boosting. For example, instead of using brush, you can use fingers and they will come out a lot more like shimmery, a lot more vibrant. You can also use some glitter glue on your eyelids before adding them. This is going to make them look so good. Also, you can try like wetting your brush or your applicator, whatever you're using. I used some MAC Fix Plus. I also used their setting spray. You can use just regular water as long as you know, it works for you, but just don't over wet your brush. Don't make it like super wet, because it's not gonna it's gonna be a disaster. Moving on to the eyeliner. Look at this packaging. Like, wow, it looks fancy. They have a couple of different shades, like brown, blue. I think that this is a black shimmery one. Wait, hold on, I need to swatch this. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has like very small tiny shimmers in it. Hope you can see them. They also included 2 mascaras in here. Look at that packaging. The difference between these two is that the one is waterproof and the other one is not. I'm gonna use the one that it's not waterproof because I'm about to take off this makeup once I'm done filming this video. I'm so sad to say that because I like how it's turning out, but it's 11:30 p.m. I'm not gonna sleep with this look on my face. I like that the wand is not loaded with a ton of product, which makes it a lot easier to coat your lashes without adding too much product, which makes you have those spider legs looking lashes. Nobody wants them. Nobody likes spiders, especially on their eyes, right? Katy Perry and Covergirl. Oh, you can find this here. They have a photo of of the lipstick. So I guess this is some kind of a white lipstick or something. That's interesting. Like, what? I've never had white lipstick. Are you serious now? This is actually a lip gloss. Let's swatch this. I wanna see swatches. Okay. Okay. And it smells good. What else we have here? Now this is getting difficult because what should I wear? How am I supposed to paint my lips now? I have so many options. I mean, it's not a bad thing to have options, but it can be difficult to decide. Lately I've been getting so excited and so like inspired of very dark and bold and daring lip colors. Like, look at this one. This is a lip gloss, but you know that I'm wearing this. Not today, but you know that I'm wearing this color. This color screams grease. Like, look at it. This is grease in a bottle. This looks really interesting. I have no idea how to use it. I have no idea what it is. It's just, it has glitter inside. It makes me happy. This is their melting put. How we pronounce that? Melting put glitz. Liquid glitter top coat. Oh, this is a top coat. Oh, I understand. I need to swatch that on the back of my hand. The back of my hand should have more makeup than I have on my face. This is a rule. Every time that I do my makeup, it's happening. It's a tradition now. You guys need a close-up of this. You don't know it yet, but trust me, you need a close-up. I'm planning on painting my lips with this color here. This is their Queen Collection Major shade, and I think that this is the shade called Insider Q110. So let's see. This smells like something really familiar, but what it is? Bubblegum. That's exactly how it smells. I'm also gonna add some lip gloss on top of it, and I'm gonna go with this Katy Kat gloss. It has some like gold shimmers in it. I really wanna see how it looks. Oh, this is so smooth. It's like, I feel like I'm massaging my lips and I like it a lot. And this is the final look, guys. I did some final touches off camera, such as adding some eyeshadow under my lower lashes. I used these two colors here, and I also added some powder highlighter just to highlight myself a little bit more, because the cream highlighters that I first applied were great. It's just I have a layer of foundation and then concealer and powder, and adding cream on top of it was just not the best idea, but I just really wanted to try them anyway. However, if you want to get the best of these, try to use them on a skin that has a sheer layer of foundation, just a little bit more lightweight makeup. I used some really full coverage foundation today. It's a new one for me. I'm trying it out for the first time today, but anyway, hope you guys like how this look came out. I love the pop of blue there. It's just making the entire look a little bit more attention grabbing. I was really excited to play with the products from this package. When I received this package today, I knew that it was from Covergirl, but I had no idea what was inside there, and it's a little bit weird, but I didn't want to know what was inside there. I knew that if I go online, I would find out what was included inside, but I didn't want to. I knew that there were different products like for eyes and for face and stuff, but I didn't know exactly what were the products. And I mean, I like kind of surprising myself. I thought that it would be also interesting for you guys, you know, to open up the package, to see what's inside, to play with makeup. I'm gonna be doing some prom looks and some more like prom wearable looks. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and also click the bell button next to the subscribe button, because that way you're gonna be notified whenever I post a new video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this one. I really hope you like the look. If you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram, Facebook or Twitter. All of the links will be down in the description box. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!